Reinstall the top and bottom bands into the new hood and face seal assembly. Using the bronze band adjustment screws included in the kit, start the screws in a few threads, just enough to hold the bands together. Do not completely tighten down the band screws in this step. On installation, a marine-grade anti-seize may be used on this screw. Install the hood and foam face seal on the side block first. Make certain that the threaded side on the lower band is resting behind the emergency valve on the side block assembly. Continue to work the hood and face seal around the mask frame until seated properly. The bands can be slid over to align with the top band keeper. Start the screws to secure the top and bottom band keeper attachment plates. Torque only the top band keeper to 12 inch-pounds, 1.3 Newton-meters. Leave the bottom band keeper loose for the time being. The top band keeper attachment and bottom center line on the hood should line up with the center of the mask. Using a torque screwdriver with a large Phillips attachment, torque the band screws to 26 inch-pounds, 2.94 Newton-meters. The screws may need adjustment after several dives. Maximum torque bands should have no less than 1/8 inch, 3 mm even gap between the bands. Optional: for easier access to the lower band keeper, the port whisker can be moved. Remove the screws, spacers, and zinc whisker anode or kidney plate holding the port whisker on the mask frame. Tuck the whisker wing under the adjustment knob. Using a torque screwdriver with a flat blade adjustment, torque the bottom screw securing the band keeper to 12 inch-pounds, 1.3 Newton-meters. Untuck the whisker wing, reinstall the screws, spacers, and zinc whisker anode or kidney plate. Torque the screws to 12 inch-pounds, 1.3 Newton-meters. Reinstall the earphones into the pockets of the new face seal. Reinstall the head harness spider. Verify the hood is installed correctly onto the band mask by pulling on the hood. Ensure the hood has not moved away from the mask frame.